Well, this looks like it sucks. Sorry for being crude. Um, but it's not so bad, actually. It's very similar to what we did with the other one, with the simplifying the square root. Now this is a cube root, so it's a little bit different. That's actually a 3, and unless you have like X-ray vision, I know that would be impossible for you to see, but that actually is a 3. So it looks like this. Okay, that's a cube root of 405. Now, I really have no idea what to do here unless I break it down. I got to break it down just like I broke down the other one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it into, I'm going to divide by 5 here, just because I know I can do that. I'm looking at this, looking at these numbers right here, and I know that's a 405, but if I divide by 5, I can probably get something that makes sense a little bit. So let's do that. I'm gonna divide by 5 and see what happens. Maybe it will give me a clue of some sort. So I got 5 times 81. Well, that's pretty good. That looks pretty good, and the reason why I say that looks pretty good is because I know that 81 contains 9. It also contains 27, and these are numbers that, if I break 81 out into them, I can actually make, I can actually pull them out of the cube root. Right? This 27 right here, 27, that number is, the cube root of that number is going to be 3. So if I can break this into 27, then I can pull at least one thing out of it and simplify it. So why don't I try to do that? So 27, I'm going to say that 27 is probably 27 times 3 is probably going to be 81, and you can check that, and it is. So now I've got 5 times 27 times 3. Now one of these I can rip out, and this is my 27. I can rip out the 27 because, like I said, the cube root of 27 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9 times 3 is 27. So that means that I'm going to rip this one out. Okay, he's going to come out. And that's the only thing that's going to come out for right now that I can see. The rest of this is going to look like just 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And that, I don't think I can do anything with that. There's no easy cube that I can see. Remember, the only other really simpler cube is 8. The cube root of 8 is 2, and that does not happen here. So it looks like that's going to be our answer. And remember, I took out the 3 here, and I had to leave in, though, the 5 times the 3 because there's no cube root there that I can do. So that must mean I'm done. And I am.